welcome back. Following on from the last video, today we're going to start. We'll start with the reassembly of the Mini Moto. Also, fuel. Basically, it is a mixture of petrol, which you fill up to this line, and then the two-stroke oil. I use a 25:1 mix, which is filled up to this line. I've already put some in the tank already, so it has actually dropped. So that's all pre-mixed. I don't know if you can see that. It's a sort of a pinky colour. So tank's ready to go. We're going to fit new fuel hose and filter and some clamps. Obviously the filter for the carb I've got to fit back in there. First thing we're going to do is obviously attempt to get it fired up. So I'm going to get the fuel line done, connect the fuel filter, put the tank in, and then try and fire up. And then it's basically reassembly, start taking off the tape from the wheels and then reassembling the brakes, wheels back in. So let's get cracking. Alright, I've already pre-cut the fuel lines, so filter's ready to go. Without dropping it, of course. And same with the other end. So that's the basic setup of the fuel line. Right, hope you can all see. Alright, there's the main carburetor. Just there, where my finger is, that's the main spout out. So that's what I'm going to be connecting to. So it is basically in from the top. Push that all the way down. And then just pliers on the end there. So there we go. Just in there. That's now fitted. And there's the filter. So all I've got to do now is just connect this end to the main fuel tank. Right, here we go. There we go, that's in. So again, just the fuel pipe clamp. That is done. So the weight of the actual body unit will actually keep that in place. So when the main seat unit goes in, that bolts down to the front here, and that basically holds the tank down. So if you can imagine, that's held down. There's a bolt in the front there where the main actual tail seat unit actually goes under, but nicely connected. So I'm going to run a bit of fuel through that and see if we can actually get it fired up. Right, so all I've done for now, just to hold the deck down, I've just used a bungee cord. I put a little bit of fuel in there. And let's see if she fires. Right, let's try for a start up. Well, she actually starts, which is good. That took a bit of fettling around with the carburetor. Still got a bit more fine tuning to do on that. So this is actually taken longer than I expected, but at least she works. So now I can start basically rebuilding.